Welcome back to another episode of Do It the Smart Way. Today I'd like to show you how to replace a combustion chamber temperature sensor. As the name suggests, this sensor measures the temperature in the combustion chamber. Since its measurements are relevant to the exhaust gas values and the consumption, the sensor must be installed correctly and fit properly. To replace the sensor, the generator set must be shut down normally and cooled down. When you enter the engine room, don't forget to put on your personal protective equipment. And be sure to follow the safety instructions in your operating manual. For more information, refer to the chapter on safety. The combustion chamber temperature sensor is screwed into the cylinder head and protrudes into the combustion chamber. As all sensors should measure at the same point, you need to check whether the old gasket is still stuck in the cylinder head. If that is the case, be sure to remove it, as otherwise you would have two gaskets after installing the new gasket. As a result, the sensor would not protrude far enough into the combustion chamber or could leak. First, the plugs need to be disconnected, and the cylinder head cover and the spark plug catch guard need to be disassembled. I've already done this for you. Next, we loosen the sensor. We can then screw it out by hand. Now let's pull the sensor out. We also need to check whether the gasket has been removed. No, it's still in here. So we need to remove it before we do anything else. So the old gasket has come out. Next, we apply some assembly paste to the new sensor. We fit the new gasket onto the sensor. And then we reinsert the new sensor with the new gasket. Then I take my torque spanner and tighten it with 10 Newton meters. Finally, we reassemble the cylinder head cover and connect the plugs. And that's all. As you can see, replacing the sensor is not too complicated, as long as you pay attention to some details. Now the new sensor is in place, and the generator set is ready to go. Thanks for joining me, and see you on the next episode of Do It the Smart Way.